Good morning this Monday, the 12th of May. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street had a negative end to last week as investors awaited clarity on the US-China trade talks, and the Fed held the US cash rate steady amid outlook for tariff implications sparking an inflationary rebound in the world's largest economy. The Dow Jones fell 0.3% on Friday, the S&P 500 lost 0.07%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq ended the day flat. This morning, Trump has declared great progress after high-level trade talks began with China over the weekend, with the US president claiming the meeting was a total reset in the trade war, which positions markets very strong for a positive start to the week. In Europe on Friday, markets closed higher as investors hold high hopes of a positive outcome from the US and China trade negotiations. The STOXX 600 rose 0.44%, Germany's DAX closed at a record high, up 0.63%, the French CAC rose 0.64%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day up 0.3%. Across the Asia region on Friday, markets closed mixed as investors digested the latest economic data out of China and awaited key trade talks between the US and China over the weekend. Japan's Nikkei rose 1.56% on Friday, China's CSI index fell 0.17%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng climbed 0.4%, and South Korea's Kospi index ended the day up 0.09% on Friday. Locally, to end the week, the ASX 200 ended the week with a positive session on Friday as the key index rose almost 0.5%, boosted by a strong tech and financial rally, but for the week the ASX 200 posted a slight decline of 0.08%. Healthcare stocks took the biggest hit over the 5 trading days last week as investors fled the sector over concerns of Trump's pharmaceutical tariff set to be rolled out over the coming weeks. Liontown Resources soared over 19% on Friday after the lithium producer released 2 key trading updates last week that were well received by investors, despite the spot price of lithium carbonate sinking to a 4-year low last week. And Chrysos Corporation soared almost 18% on Friday after signing an agreement with gold production giant Newmont Corporation that will see Chrysos photon assay technology used for Newmont's gold mining projects. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 0.67% higher at $61.43 a barrel. Gold is down 1.3% at $3,282 an ounce, and iron ore is up 0.33% at $98.55 a tonne. The Australian dollar has strengthened against the greenback to buy 64.29 US cents at 93.79 Japanese yen, 48.57 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 9 cents. Ahead of the first trading session of the new week, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX will open the day up 0.19%, and that's amid positive sentiment from progress on the global trade war front over the weekend. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has increased the rating on Catalyst Metals from a hold to a buy rating and have raised the 12-month price target on the gold producer following the acquisition of the Old Highway Gold Project for $32.5 million in cash from Samphire Resources. With 2.1 million tonnes at 3 grams per tonne containing 206,000 ounces of gold and a higher grade underground component, the project adds significant upside to Catalyst portfolio and value. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Super Retail Group following the formation of a pattern over a period of 45 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $14.14 to the range of $15.10 to $15.40, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this Monday morning. I hope you have a magnificent day and happy investing.